You'll notice the little white piece of paper on the ground and the progress that the rear tire is making towards that. Now notice the cadence. That's approximately 1 foot, 2 feet. Now this is the back end where the gears were. A little closer view. One sprocket up top with the crank axle, one sprocket down below. Switch the sprockets after I broke one of the crank arms, as you can see, pushing down the one. It doesn't move, but the other one it does. And you notice when I switched it over here that it goes a lot further with one crank down than it did when I was in the grass. This is the modification that was not in there. A series of variable speed pulleys. And we'll get the still shot of where that belt started and then where it finished off in this short demo, as well as this point that's outside of the vehicle. And I'm cranking it by hand with one pair of vice grips on the axle, holding it down with the other. And then I am adjusting the variable speed with the other hand that's going around a little bit faster. Notice the how much it moved in. So this is actually proof that the centrifugal clutch does not have to be spinning at 600 RPM in order for that belt to be adjusted. It just has to be moving. Trying to get somebody interested, build a hollow bottle jack, a hollow hydraulic bottle jack with no more than a 1 1/4 inch bore straight through all the way through the bottle jack. And it only needs to travel, the ram only needs to travel approximately 1.5 inches at the most. So it would move slowly with each hand pump so that it'll push, instead of the threaded rod that I have there now, it will hydraulically push that centrifugal side of the pulley, the beveled side of the pulley, in towards the middle, changing the speed, increasing the speed, and then you dump the pressure and it will decrease the gearing ratio. That should be about it.